Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send private message on X. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can only send private messages to people who follow you or who have their messages open to everyone. Okay, so open X application on your phone and tap this letter icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your messages section. Now we want to tap new message button, that usually is a plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen. And now search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that will appear on your screen, you have to select specific person, which will redirect you to chat with this person. And now in this tag box you have to type your message. And finally, when you're ready to send it, just hit send button that looks like paper plane icon right here. And you see that the status of my message says sent. So that's it, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.